Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. It's been a while since Appa made some sambal ikan bilis. So Appa is going to make it today. And today is going to be a little bit luxurious version. Let me show you how to do it very easily, but it will taste really, really good. First of all, get some big chili. You can use either dry or fresh chili, really up to you. I personally prefer using fresh chili nowadays because I find that fresh chilies is easier to control the spiciness. A lot of dried chili I get outside is actually too spicy. I mean, not too spicy for me, but too spicy for my family. So I choose to use the bigger red chili, fresh red chili, which is actually less spicy. All right. So I have quite a lot here. I intend to keep my sambal for at least 1 week. Or some of you wanted, you can leave the comment section, see whether I can keep some to you or not. All right, so we have some fresh chili here, probably about 10 to 15 pieces, few pieces of shallot, and few cloves of garlic. You can put some ginger if you like, up to you. This is what really make it very luxurious. I'm going to add in 1 small bowl of dried shrimp. This one I bought from Hero Market last night. It cost me about 1 kg is about 75 ringgit. So this is probably about close to 100 gram. Yeah, actually you don't really have to put so much lah. Like I said, today is a little bit luxurious version. And then we are going to deep fry some ikan bilis. Yeah. So how do you choose a good ikan bilis? Basically, generally the whiter it is, the better it is. Or another way is look at the price. The price will tell you the difference. And some of ikan bilis can be very fishy. The one I'm using is actually already clean. Yeah, the innards and head is already cleaned off, so much easier to be used. Then I'm going to put in I have some big yellow onion here. This is half of it, and some toasted belacan. Yeah, so belacan powder. So I have cut the chilies into smaller pieces so they can fit into my chopper here. We probably have to do it by stages because I'm doing quite a lot today. Oops. Okay. On the power. Okay. We can actually add a little bit of water to ease the blending process. Now we got some space. I'm going to put in the shallot and also garlic. And 1 teaspoon of toasted belacan. So toasted belacan itself is already salty, so later you may want to go easy with the salt, yeah? Very fast, right? You have this kind of consistency. And I'm going to add in the dried shrimp. I'm going to blend it together. Today I'll add in everything together. You can actually choose to blend the dried shrimp separately and saute the dried shrimp separately, also up to you. Today I'm lazy. Okay. We don't really need it to be very fine. This is more than enough, good enough. Right, then we shall set aside the raw sambal. Let's give it some oil. Be generous with the oil here. We are going to fry the crispy ikan bilis. And you want to add in the ikan bilis even when the oil is cold. Safest lah. For beginners like Appa, I don't mind adding it in cold oil. Then only we slowly bring up the temperature, yeah? And try not to use too high heat on this, maybe use medium heat, yeah? Don't worry about the excessive oil later because we will use the same oil to make our sambal. And sambal will need a lot of oil. So don't worry about the excessive oil right now. So why is it we'll be using the same oil later? Because this will be the flavored oil. Flavored by the ikan bilis itself, anchovies. So this is this oil is going to turn into a seafood oil. Yes, that's how cooking is all about. We're going to saute this slowly. Just maybe I would say 5 to 10 minutes. Huh? And take note, now you're seeing a lot of bubbles. That is one sign telling you there's a lot of water inside the ikan bilis now. Later you're going to see the bubble getting lesser and lesser. I'm actually using medium low heat right now because I see some smoke coming out. That is too hot. I want to slowly make my ikan bilis crispy. We don't want to go too fast, yeah? Keep on stirring. This is after approximately 4 minutes plus. I can feel the, see, it is already becoming golden brown. It is very crisp. I can feel the crispiness right now. So now I'm going to just off the fire, slowly take it aside, take it out, yeah? Let me show you. It is actually very crispy. So now we actually have a very flavorful oil right now, where we are going to use it to saute our sambal, raw sambal. So this raw sambal has a lot of flavor inside, especially with the presence of the dried shrimp. Now we can put into medium or medium high, slightly over medium high heat, yeah? Don't worry about the excessive oil because later you actually need the excessive oil to act as a protection, yeah? A layer over your sambal when you want to put inside your fridge. So now we are going to slowly saute this sambal until it is cooked at least about 5 minutes and above, 5 to 10 minutes. This is after about 5 minutes sauteing. Now you can start to see the oil started to break, yeah? A sign of telling you your sambal is almost cooked, yeah? So now I tuned down the fire because I want to start giving some seasoning. So we're going to start with a bit of salt here, fine salt. I'll give it a little bit of light soy sauce. This is more for the color, I prefer darker color. A bit of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. For those who have cooking appa chicken stock powder, you can actually add in some of cooking appa chicken stock powder. Optional. Next thing, you like it or not, you do have to put in quite a bit of sugar. Easily 3-4 tablespoons, seriously. But it's your home cooking, you decide how much sugar you want to put, right? Now we can actually slowly raise the heat. And as we cook right now, you can definitely start seeing the color of the sambal become darker and darker, mainly because of, especially due to the sugar that we added. It will actually caramelize, yeah? So this is after another 3 minutes. You can see the oil is really separating already, yeah? See? Then now we can actually add in the bawang besar, yeah, the yellow onion. Together with the ikan bilis. Just give it a few stir, and it's almost done. Okay, now off the fire. It's basically done. Now, the only thing you need to do right now is actually to adjust to taste using salt and also sugar. So you just taste to see whether how's the flavor. It's so good. The ikan bilis is very crispy. So here's Appa very simple sambal ikan bilis. Yeah. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Tonight, Appa is going to eat quite a lot of white rice. All right, bye bye.